Welcome to our Fun Kids channel, where animals talk, stories sparkle, and every day is a happy adventure.
Let's learn good habits. Waking up early. Brushing teeth. Washing hand.
Time to wash my hands. Ooh, look at the bubbles. Bye-bye, germs.
Eating healthy food.
Whee, sweaty bubbles.
Time for some yummy fruits and veggies. So crunchy and sweet.
Saying thank you.
Hey, I got you a present. Wow, thanks. It's awesome. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Cleaning our room.
Let's put our toys away.
Okay, then we can make the bed. Now the bed. All done.
Sharing with friends.
This is so much fun. Yeah, let's go to the park. Wow, a toy car.
Let's play.
Reading books.
Wow, the characters are coming out.
We're here to play.
Yay, let's go on an adventure.
Helping others.
You look thirsty. Here, have some water. Oh, thank you. The best helper. Here you go. Perfect.
Going to bed on time.